APT-COM 4, Multi Management Software for Bender Simulation Chambers. The perfect tool for management, logging, and documentation. Chambers can be detected in no time at all thanks to the automatic search feature of the APT-COM 4. The quick search allows you to select any number of chambers and conveniently configure them. APT-COM 4 displays all important data, including program progress, compactly and at a glance. The programs are also started from here. An integrated floor planner helps to depict the actual on-site conditions in a true-to-scale representation. With just a few mouse clicks, layouts are quickly uploaded and devices are in place. In case of an alarm, a chamber is marked in red in the floor plan and can be quickly localized. Set values can be conveniently changed within the room plan as well. The analysis tool provides access to all record logs in real time and around the clock. For optimal analysis, the view can be individually adjusted to personal needs. This way, APT-COM 4 only presents relevant data. The measured data is also presented in tables. Measurement data from multiple devices can be combined in metadata records. APT-COM 4 is multilingual. International teams can access the same data, each user in his or her own language. Thanks to the reminder feature, not a single sample is ever overlooked or forgotten. It is not possible to exceed limit values as the parameters in the chamber's system are already preset. It is thereby impossible for the user to specify set values which the chamber cannot attain. A highly configurable report is automatically generated at the touch of a button and with a customer-specific cover sheet if desired. A GLP-compliant system log is also available to provide proof of manipulation-free data. The APT-COM 4 allows for convenient programming and management of up to 100 chambers. Along with GLP-compliant logging, the software can be used in all industries. Bender APT-COM 4, the multi-management software that decisively simplifies complex work processes.